So what type of owls do we have around here? The three most common owls are the great horned owl, and they're the one to give the typical owl call, the kind of hoo, 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 hoo. Then there's the barred owl that says, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" And both of those are found in lots of wooded situations, large wooded areas. I have, on rare occasion, encountered a barred owl in Alsip Park here. And then another owl, a small owl, is the eastern screech owl. And they will nest in people's backyards and tree cavities. They also you can put out an owl nest box for them. And they're misnamed. They don't screech. They actually whinny and trill. So an eastern screech owl's call is more like a...
How do you do that? That was very good.
That's a trade secret.